you just get to a point to where it's like you just realize how important those little things are. You just went through your health scare a few weeks ago, and Kim was just behind the lights up here. Thank God she was with you, because if you'd have been in the hotel room alone, there'd have been no more Drew. Heart attack, cardiac arrest, 5 times under the zappers. And if she hadn't have been there, I mean, this is an aside, but that's like the worst fear that I have, is to die in a hotel room alone, because I travel so much, and it happens to people. And thank God she was there, and thank God you're here. But I'm sure that experience has really put perspective for you on what's important, what really matters.
Yeah, it has, and that part of the reason, I ended up where I ended up, cause, purpose, allow, right, is that blockage didn't happen overnight. That was years in the making. How many years? I don't know, but safe to say probably somewhere at least probably a decade, I would think, because that was the last time I got checked out by a cardiologist, and so not taking care of myself, because what did I do? I put others first through my business. Part of that technically is I actually put myself first because that's what I wanted to do, but it wasn't what or is most important. Kim and my kids and her kids are the most important. But what I came to realize, and what I've really been focused on for the last 2 years in my path of self-discovery, and that started before this event happened, was I got to put myself first. If I don't take care of myself, and I wasn't doing good enough at that, then I can't take care of those others that are the most important to me. So Kim and my kids and her kids, my clients. And so if I'm not the best version of me, then I can't be the best version of me for everybody else in my life, downstream. And so, through some study and working with a leadership group and a couple of life coach, I have a leadership coach, I have a life coach, I have a relationship coach. I really, kind of taken a hard look at myself these last couple of years, and I've really learned, and then of course learned through this process as well, and through a lot of meditation and even prayer, that I have to put myself first. I have to be a little selfish. I got to put my oxygen mask on first, like they say on the plane, right? Or I can't do this for everybody else. And as much as I thought I was making those right steps, I wasn't doing enough of them. I wasn't doing the exercise, cardio as religious. I'd let other things get in the way. I'd do some workout, and I'd justify that was enough. So cause, purpose, allow, as you say. So you're 100% right, because you're 100% responsible for the mess or success of your life, and no one's going to care more than you. And so I guess I look at success, and through my leadership coaching, it's greatness. Greatness has no end. There's always another level of greatness. There's always another level.
I always say Tiger's still working on his swing.
Yeah.
What does that tell you?
Yeah.
It's like striving for better.
And so this new version of me, through a lot of discovery and obviously, unfortunately, a lot of pain to myself, but to my family and to Kim, what I put her through in that hotel room.
Thank God she was there, man.
And so I got to do the work now. I mean, I got to work harder, and getting to enjoy a little bit of, of a spirit here and there, so be it. But cutting back, eating the right things, not indulgent, doing the workouts, doing the walks. The day I got out of the hospital, we went and did a walk on the beach. Why? Number one, because I needed to, but also because I still can.
Yeah.
And so today and every day is thinking about that and how to be the best version of myself. Because if I can be the best version of myself, then I can be the best father, the best partner to Kim, the best business leader that I can be, the best colleague to you guys. And but it all starts with me, and it ends with me. And thankfully, it didn't end for me.
So. Amen to that.